Okay guys, that was really good that I was the first in line for trying the Oculus Rift S. So I had my session now and I could really try the Oculus Rift S very, very good. My name is VoodooDE and you can find every stuff about VR and AR on my channel, so subscribe and don't miss anything. So, what do I think? So I had a chance to try Asgard's Wrath. First, the game is awesome. I really love this game. We can really look forward to that. But this is not what the video is about. It's about the Oculus Rift S. So the first thing that I noticed when I had it on my head the first time was the smaller field of view. It's smaller than the Oculus Rift. And this, if you like big field of view, you know, I'm a big fan of the Pimax and stuff, and the big field of view of the Pimax at least. And it's a little bit hard. However, my all-in-all impression is pretty good. I didn't expect that because I saw the first reactions and stuff, but it's not so bad. So the two things that are not so good is first is the field of view, the smaller field of view, and the second is the LCD display. So I played Asgard's Wrath and I was in something like a main menu and it was very dark, and then I really noticed the LCD. So that was like a little bit gray, or it was not black, but you already know it from the Oculus Go. So this is the thing. That these two things are not so impressive, but the rest, I tried the tracking. I really tried to hold my hands like here and on my head, and it was perfect. There was absolutely no problem with the tracking. Not even in situations where I thought, oh, that doesn't work. It works. I would even say it's a competitor to Lighthouse now with these 5 cameras. Wow, the 5th camera is on top of the headset. Some people said it's on the bottom. No, it's on the top. 2 at the front, 2 at the sides, and 1 at the top. So, what else can we do? We can connect our headphones with the audio jack, but we can also use the implemented audio headsets. That's like the Oculus Go. You have 2 slots and then you can hear the sound. So the tracking was very good. Yes, I told that already. The headset is connected via DisplayPort and USB 3.1. So you need only these 2 connections. There's no sensors. Everything is done with inside-out tracking. And what else can I say? I asked them what is with the old Rift, and they told me that the old Rift is not built anymore and will not be sold anymore. So there will only be the Oculus Rift S in the future. I didn't expect that. So guys, if you want to buy the old Rift, you should do that now. Because if you really like OLED display, then yeah. But however, the screen door effect of the Rift S was pretty good, to be honest. It was pretty good. And this is, if you hate the screen door effect of the old Rift, you should really think about that. So it's $400. I already told that tomorrow. This morning. Sorry, I already told that to you this morning. So that was awesome. I was the first one there in line. Very awesome. I will get this at home, of course. I will try it at home with some games. And for me, to be honest, the comfort is much better than with the Rift. But you have to be careful because many people said that the old Rift is very comfortable. I had some problems with the old Rift here on my face that was not comfortable for me, and what belongs to comfort, I would definitely change to the Oculus Rift S. That's it. And also the screen door effect, but not the field of view. The field of view is smaller than with the Rift, and also the LCD is not as good as the OLED of the old Rift, of course. So I hope I could give you a good first impressions of the Rift. I asked them, when will the Quest and the Rift S be available? And then they told me, we can talk about that. But then I told them, yeah, what's with the rumors about the F8 conference? And then they said, yeah, that's you are close. You're so close. This could be the case. So it will not be long and a long time until the Quest and the Rift S will be available. So guys, if you like what I'm doing, then give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.